So, a very warm welcome to everyone seeing this. So, recently I participated in the Geek Olympics hackathon organized by Geeks for Geeks, and the main focus of that hackathon was on data analysis and machine learning part. So, I have made this web app incorporating machine learning and data analysis part on the Olympic data, and the theme of the hackathon was Olympics. So, for that, I made a machine learning model called Olympic Medal Predictor, and the main purpose of the Olympic Medal Predictor is to predict the possibility of an athlete winning an Olympic medal or not. So the attributes that we have to pass in our predictor is the basically gender of the person, whether male or female, and the age of the basically individual, and the height of the individual, the weight, and the country from which the athlete basically comes from, and the sport in which the athlete is going to participate in Olympics. And for our prediction part, we have uh, used two machine learning and two machine learning models and a neural network. So let's say we are going. So for instance, let's go with the random forest classifier. So uh, let's hit the submit button. So obviously, if the age is 10, the winning probability is low. So this is my default prediction. So let's so we know about Michael Phelps. He is the most successful athlete in the Olympic history. So let's fill the attribute corresponding to him. So in his prime, he was about 23 years old, and his height is about 190 centimeters, and he weighs around 80 kgs. So, and he hails from the USA. So let's put that in. And he participates in Olympic in a swimming event. And for now, let's go with random forest classifier and hit the submit button. So yeah, we have got the medal winning probability is high since we have put the attributes corresponding to Michael Phelps. Let's change the country from USA to Afghanistan. And let's put the submit button. So, winning probability is low. Obviously, from Afghanistan, no one has ever won a basically medal, Olympic medal in swimming. So yeah, so our model is working fine. Even we can make use of other machine learning model like logistic regression, and our output of logistic regression is also low. That is good, and we can also make use of our neural network, and it is also low. And for our neural network, in the neural network, for the last layer, the I have used a sigmoidal activation function since we are doing binary classification. Yeah, and now let us talk about the data analysis part. So this particular medal tally page is about the medals that each of the countries have won over the span of time in Olympics. So this data is taken from the Olympics, from Athens Olympic 1896 to Rio Olympics 2016. So here we have two filters, the year filter and the country filter, and the default setting is overall. So we have the overall medal tally of each country over these years in Olympics. If we can also select a particular year. Let us take the year as 1976. Then we will get the medal corresponding to each of the countries. So yeah, this is a medal tally that each of the countries have got in the year 1972, and we can also select a particular country over here as well. We can select Germany. So in that particular, how many medals did Germany won? So this is our output. We can basically select Germany, and we can set the basically overall select year as overall. So then we can get all the medals that Germany has won over the basically years that they have participated in Olympics. So this is our medal tally part. So we can also put the countries Afghanistan and the year as overall. So till the span so all the basically they have only won only two medals in Olympic in the year 2008 and the year 2012 over the span of Olympics. Now let us see the overall analysis of Olympics. So the addition is 22. So there are a total of 28 editions of Olympics that have been organized from the Athens to the Rio Olympic in 2016, and there are 23 host nations, and there were 22 three host nation until date. 52 basically sports have been organized in Olympics, and 651 events have also been organized in Olympics, and a total of 206 nations have participated in Olympics, and a total of 1,16,100 and 122 athletes have participated in the Olympics till date. And now we have a line plot of the participating nations over the years. So in the Rio Olympics 2016, a total of 204 nations participated, and in the 1896 Athens Olympic, a total of 12 country participated. So this is the basically country curve. Uh, the number of countries that have participated in Olympics uh, till date and over all these years. Also, we also have a line plot of the total number of events that have been organized in each of the basically Olympics. So in 2000 basically 16 Olympics, a total of 306 events were organized, and in the Athens Olympic, 43 Olympics, events were organized in that particular Olympic. We also have the athlete participation over the years, and we have a heat map, and this heat map is about the number of events over time for every sports. So for a particular year, how many events were organized for a particular sport. So this heat map information gives about that particular thing. And we also have a basically a table showing the most successful athletes in the Olympic history. So Michael Phelps is the most successful athlete. He's from the USA and he participated in swimming. We also have filter. We can select different sports. Let us take basketball. So this table is about basketball. So Teresa Edwards has won 5 medals in basketball, and he's also and she's from USA. So now let us go to the country-wise analysis part. Let us select the country as China. So we have the China's medal tally over the years. So in the 2000 basically 16 Olympics, they have won about 70 medals, and in the year 1984 they have won about 32 medals. So they have basically started participating in Olympics recently, but they have won the maximum medals during the year 2008, where they have won 100 medals. And this is the basically heat map which says which tells the in which sports China excels. So we can see in weightlifting China is basically extremely good. Even in basically shooting it is good, and in table tennis it is also good. So in most of the sports China basically excels. In diving it is also very good, but it is not good in lawn tennis. And these are the basically top 10 athletes from China, and the number one is Yang Wei. He's from he has won basically 7 medals, and he participated in badminton. So now let us talk about the athlete wise analysis. So this is the distribution of age. If we deselect these things, so then we can have the basic we can have this particular curve. This curve corresponds to gold medalist. So during the age around 20 to 23, the probability of a person winning gold medal is very high. Now let us see the bronze medal. So during that same age, the probability of winning gold medal is high. Now let us see silver and gold. So during this particular age, the winning 23, 24, the chances of winning gold medal is high, and after that particular age, the chances of winning, we can see the at this particular age 27 and 28, 27, the chances of winning silver medals becomes high, but but during their 34, the again the chances of winning the silver medals basically increases. So during the age 23, the chances of a person winning gold medal is extremely high. So now we also have a PDF, that is a probability density function. that is a distribution of age with respect to sport, and about only the gold medalist. So this curve is this each of these particular curve corresponds to a particular sport, and this curve tells us about in which age the chances of winning gold medal is high. So it is a very informative curve. And finally we have a height versus weight curve. So each of these data points corresponds to a particular individual, whether that the individual have won a medal. So the blue color specifies that they have not won a medal, and the gold yellow color specifies they have won a gold medal, and the green color specifies they have won a bronze medal, and the red color specifies they had won a silver medal. And we have also made a styling that cross indicates that a particular individual is female, and the circle indicates that the disc indicates that a particular individual is a male. And we also have filter here. We can select a particular sport of our choice. So so if we select badminton, so we can clearly see that uh, the females are having less weight and less height, and the males are having more weight and more height. And the chances of winning the gold medal is somewhere between these weight and these heights. And we also have the male versus uh, female participation over the years. So during the Olympic 2016, about 3,206 athletes have participated, and during the same year, about 4,022 males participated. But during the first Olympics, in the Athens Olympic of the edition 1896, so no female participated, but about 174 females participated. So now let us see our about page. So this about page is all about the dataset that I have basically used to make this web app. The link for the dataset is given here. I have taken the dataset from Kaggle, and these are the basically things that I have performed in the data analysis part. And this is about my medal predictor that I made a medal Olympic medal predictor, which can predict the possibility of an athlete winning Olympic medal on the basis of these many attributes. And I've used two machine learning algorithms and artificial neural network, which are given here. And the GitHub link for this project is also given here. And in the same GitHub link, I have also basically uploaded my Jupyter notebook corresponding to data analysis and the medal predictor part. I have made all the necessary feature engineering tasks that were necessary to clean my dataset for training my model. So yeah, thank you.